Good morning, one and all. The Department of B.Ed, Loreto College, Kolkata, celebrates today, 21st of June 2021, the World Music Day. Music gives souls to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything, as rightly pointed out by Plato. There's nothing in the world like the sound of your favorite song coming on. It gets right into your head and your body and makes you move. Or maybe it takes you on a journey to a faraway place and time where you languish in a memory of times gone by and people who are no longer present. Some of our favorite songs can lift us up out of depression and worry and make an otherwise horrible day suddenly seems like it's not so bad. World Music Day celebrates music in all of its forms and the impact it's had on the world and the human spirit. World Music Day is an annual celebration that takes place on 21st of June worldwide to honor the amateur and professional musicians alike. Over 120 countries celebrate World Music Day by organizing free public concerts in the parks, streets, stations, museums, and other public places. On this day, musicians are encouraged to play in public. World Music Day was founded by the Cultural Minister of France, Jacques Lang, and Maurice Furet, a French producer, music journalist, radio composer, arts administrator, and festival organizer on the day of the summer solstice in Paris in 1982. The primary aim of celebrating World Music Day is to provide the joy of music to everyone and also to encourage the amateur musician to showcase their work to the world. Music is beneficial to us as studies and experts have found that it helps lower the stress, help people sleep better. Music therapy is also known to do wonders on people with mental health issues. Helps one work out and exercise well, and with the right kind of music, people can even concentrate and focus better. While World Music Day is all about outdoor and public performances, this year, however, on the account of coronavirus pandemic, global lockdowns, and social distancing, the chance of any public gathering seems highly unlikely. At this point, we bring before you all the virtual program to celebrate the jovial spirit of World Music Day. The theme that we have chosen to highlight through today's program is Lessons of Life. Life is a continuous learning experience. Throughout our lives, we keep rising and falling, picking up important lessons along the way. Some of these lessons come from experience, yet there are others that we learn watching others or by reading in books. Furthermore, there are many life lessons that we simply cannot learn until we face certain situations in our life. Today, on World Music Day, we will try to highlight significant lessons of the life that would enable us to become a better versions of ourselves through the chords of delightful music from different regions of the world.
Where there is unity, there is always victory. This quote by Publius Cyrus is something that we should all take note of for making success a regular part of our lives. Striving for unity and mutual cooperation can only make us stronger and more driven towards our goals. At times, when we are threatened by malice and strife, presenting a united front can become a necessity. With this thought in mind, let us now listen to a soulful Hindi song that will remind us once again of the need for inculcating this value in our lives. हम सब हाथ मिलाए, दिल से दिल तक राह अंधियारा छटने को है, देखो ना पाँव फटने को है। अंधियारा छटने को है, देखो ना पाँव फटने को है। एक नई सूरज के नीचे आगे पीछे क्यों ना जाया जाए। चलो आओ हम सब हाथ मिलाए, दिल से दिल तक राह बनाए, राह बनाए। आओ हम सब हाथ मिलाए, दिल से दिल तक राह बनाए, राह बनाए, राह बनाए, राह बनाए, राह बनाए।
Through love, we learn to live. The essence of togetherness enables us to get a greater understanding of the world around us. Bihu songs, the indigenous music of Assam, encapsulates the character of Assamese music and culture. They are replete with rural descriptions and they talk of communal bonding, environment, and love. The following medley celebrates the learning of life through learning of love. After all, in the trying times, the connection and bonding are all that we are left with in order to stay hopeful. Hey hi oh, e beli dhuniya, oi hi beli dhuniya, oi bihu the meliya beli, goli jar mate re, oi mati suhabate ki ওই বিহু গাওয়াতে বেলি। তোতে কি মুরগা কেনেবা লাগে, তোতে কি মুরগা কেনেবা লাগে, বিহুরে মন তলিতে নাচু নাচু লাগে, বিহুরে মন তলিতে নাচু নাচু লাগে। ও মোর সোনয় এনে কইলে সখী পর মরম লগা কই, ও মোর সোনয় এনে কইলে সখী পর মরম লগা কই। তোতে কি মুরগা কেনেবা লাগে, তোতে কি মুরগা কেনেবা লাগে। পিহিতে পিহিতে হিঙ্গরে কে কাতিরে নি কি বাজিছে, আকো মুরগে নে কই তলা হেয়া হলো। পিহিতে পিহিতে হিঙ্গরে কে কাতিরে নি কি বাজিছে, আকো মুরগে নে কই তলা হেয়া হলো। ও মোর সোনয় এনে কইলে সখী পর মরম লগা কই, ও মোর সোনয় এনে কইলে সখী পর মরম লগা কই। তোতে কি মুরগা কেনেবা লাগে, তোতে কি মুরগা কেনেবা লাগে। আজ জীবন খুঁজে পাবে ছুটে ছুটে আয়, আজ জীবন খুঁজে পাবে ছুটে ছুটে আয়, আজ মরণ ভুলে গিয়ে ছুটে ছুটে আয়। বাঁশি নিয়ে আয় আর হাসি নিয়ে আয়, বাঁশি নিয়ে আয় আর হাসি নিয়ে আয়। আজ নতুন আলোর দিগন্তে সব ছুটে ছুটে আয়, আজ মরণ ভুলে গিয়ে ছুটে ছুটে আয়। মনের জড়ায় পাখিটির বাঁধন খুলে দে, শিকল খুলে মেঘের নীলে আজ উড়িয়ে দে। আজ ফাগুন ফুলের আনন্দে সব ছুটে ছুটে আয়, আজ নতুন আলোর দিগন্তে সব ছুটে ছুটে আয়। বাঁশি নিয়ে আয় আর হাসি নিয়ে আয়, বাঁশি নিয়ে আয় রে হাসি নিয়ে আয়। আজ জীবন খুঁজে পাবি ছুটে ছুটে আয়, আজ মরণ ভুলে গিয়ে ছুটে ছুটে আয়।
Make a little difference echoes the strong mission theme of this album, and the artist of the song is Michael Manton. It makes the point that all of us can make a difference in someone's life, that all of us can do something which is important to others and the society in order to make a world a better place. Our presence, our existence always make a difference, even on street corners. So, this song is about doing the little everyday things well, especially when we interact with other people. We don't have to move mighty mountains. We don't have to swim stormy seas. We don't have to move the world overnight. We don't have to do famous deeds. Wherever we are, whoever we meet, in everything we do and say. If we get in the groove and let the spirit move, we can make a little difference every day. It takes a million years to make one diamond. It needs a billion grains of sun to make a beach. It takes 1,000 years for the forest to grow. We just have to plant a tiny seed. Wherever we are, whoever we meet, in everything we do and say. If we get in the groove and let the spirit move, we can make a little difference every day. Just a single step begins each journey. A race that never started can't be won. Every drop of rain helps the mighty river flow. We can live the power of one. Wherever we are, whoever we meet, in everything we do and say. If we get in the groove and let the spirit move, we can make a little difference every day. Just a helping hand or a friendly smile, doing what we know is right. Standing strong against the tide, these little things can change somebody's life. Wherever we are, whoever we meet, in everything we do and say. If we get in the groove and let the spirit move, we can make a little difference every day.
Having a pure soul is something we should all aspire, for since our view of the world is limited to our perception of our own being, our mark on this world is made by the amount of contribution we do, and hence, by doing good work, we cast a good shadow on others around us.
फुलको आँखामा फुलै संसार, काँडाको आँखामा काँडै संसार। फुलको आँखामा फुलै संसार, काँडाको आँखामा काँडै संसार। झुल्किन्छ है छाया वस्तु अनुसार, काँडाको आँखामा संसार फुलको आँखामा फुले संसार खाराको आँखामा खारै संसार ताहा ताहा जुन देखु कालो रातैमा जीवन सङ्गीत सुनु म सुख पातैमा ताहा ताहा जुन देखु कालो रातैमा जीवन सङ्गीत सुनु म सुख पातैमा राम्रो मनमा खुल्छ है राम्रै संसार कहाँको आँखामा खारै संसार फुलको आँखामा फुलै संसार कहाँको आँखामा खारै संसार.
There are many good reasons to keep music in our lives, especially now that we are living amid the COVID-19 pandemic. As Elton John has quoted, music has the healing power. It has the ability to take people out of themselves for a few hours. Since India is a land of diversity with varied cultures, every region has its own unique musical form. Hence, to mark the importance of music, every year World Music Day is celebrated. Through the song Jhiri Jhiri Choitali Batashi, sung by the legendary singer Geeta Dutt, we would like to emphasize the healing power of music.
ঝিরি ঝিরি চৈতালি বাতাসে নীল নীল আকাশে ঝিলমিল তারা যে চুপি চুপি কথা কয় চাঁদ হাসে ঝিরি ঝিরি চৈতালি বাতাসে নীল নীল আকাশে ঝিলমিল তারা যে চুপি চুপি কথা কয় চাঁদ হাসে জানি না কেন হায় মন যে তারে চায় তারে ভালোবেসে হৃদয় ভরে যায় জানি না কেন হায় মন যে তারে চায় তারে ভালোবেসে হৃদয় ভরে যায় সে কি আমার গো ভালোবাসে নীল নীল আকাশে ঝিলমিল তারা যে চুপি চুপি কথা কয় চাঁদ হাসে ঝিরি ঝিরি চৈতালি বাতাসে নীল নীল আকাশে ঝিলমিল তারা যে চুপি চুপি কথা কয় চাঁদ হাসে এই মধুরা তাজ বয়ে যায় তুমি কোথায় আর আমি কোথায় এ মধুরা তাজ বয়ে যায় তুমি কোথায় আর আমি কোথায় তুমি যে কাছে নাই গানেরও সুরে তাই আমি যে তোমারে সে কথা বলে যাই তুমি যে ছেলাই গানেরও সুরে তাই আমি যে তোমারই সে কথা বলে যাই যদি তুমি আসো মোর পাশে নীল নীল আকাশে ঝিলপিল তারা যে চুপি চুপি কথা কয় চাঁদ হাসে ঝিরে ঝিরে জয়তালি বাতাসে নীল নীল আকাশে ঝিলমিল তারা যে চুপি চুপি কথা কয় চাঁদ হাসে
Music is a world in itself. It's a language we all understand. Our next song is a motivational track in Hindi called Badal Pe Paav Hai, which celebrates the zeal for success in life, with which we can achieve our goals and soar high with flying colors. Music can inspire us to achieve and to believe in our dreams that we ought to work for and to live a life full of freedom, happiness and joy. सोचा कहा था ये जो हो गया माना कहा था ये लो हो गया चुटकी कोई काटो ना है हम तो होश में कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा दाव है अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा दाव है अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है ओ, चल पड़े हम सफर अजनबी तो है डगर लगता हमको मगर कुछ कर देंगे हम मगर ख्वाब में जो दिखा पर था छिपा बस जाएगा वो नगर बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा दाव है अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा दाव है अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है ओ,
As defined beautifully by Victor Hugo, music expresses that which cannot be put into words and that which cannot remain silent. It is a long known fact that music creates bond and is often said to be the language of emotion. Now, I am going to present a song from a Bengali movie, Shomantoral, a combination of an old Spanish song depicting love for an individual and a Bengali Lalon Giti portraying search for God. That love is not just about having the beloved with or in front of you, be it a human or the Almighty, is the string connecting the two songs. Bésame, bésame mucho, como si fuera esta noche la última vez. Bésame, bésame mucho. Que tengo miedo a perderte después. Quiero tenerte muy cerca, mirarme en tus ojos, guarde junto a mí. Piensa que tal vez mañana yo ya estaré lejos, muy lejos de ti. খুঁজি তারে আসমান জমি, আমারে চিনি না আমি। খুঁজি তারে আসমান জমি, আমারে চিনি না আমি। কি বিষম ভ্রমেতে ভ্রমিয়ে, বিষম ভ্রমের ভ্রমে আমি কোনজন সে কোনজনা। কি কথা কয় রে দেখা দেয় না, কি কথা কয় রে দেখা দেয় না। নড়ে চড়ে হাতের কাছে খুঁজলে জনম ভর মেলে না। কে কথা কয় রে দেখা দেয় না।
Few people opine that music is equally important as other subjects and should be taught even at the preschool level. We wholeheartedly agree with this statement because if music is introduced as a subject in the early age, children can learn to stay calm and become more optimistic individuals in the later stages of their life. Whether being involved in a music group or playing an instrument alone, music teaches students self-discipline. Each day, a striving musician has to carve out a certain period of time to practice his or her skills. By creating a schedule to follow, he or she learns how to be self-disciplined. The saying, "Practice makes perfect," is one of the truest statements one can make. Children who are required to set their own schedules can learn how to become self-sufficient and know how to budget their time more wisely. Music education is also crucial for building teamwork and self-esteem in a child's life. Children who are encouraged to participate in a music group have to learn how to cooperate and work with other people in order to attain a common goal. This is an important skill to have in any area of life, whether it's at the job, at home, or at school. One must learn how to work with others and learn how to effectively communicate. These music activities not only encourage teamwork but also create lifelong friendships and allow for working with many different kinds of people. Self-esteem also built through this process by creating a support system of others who want to see success from each member of the group. This support system will allow students to feel as if they are a part of something greater. Students will also get more experience of performing in front of others and gain confidence through the process.
Music education helps children build higher thinking skills and also help in certain academic areas such as math and foreign languages. When reading music, a musician has to use fractions, addition or subtractions to determine each note value. Foreign languages are also used throughout music. Dynamics and tempo markings are written in different languages that require children to develop higher thinking skills. Without music, students would not benefit from the many different aspects of knowledge that are required to create music. Many people underestimate the value of music education. Our society need to realize how important music is to the development of future generation, and they need to encourage the exploration of music. Music is the only thing that brings a group of different cultures and beliefs together for one simple thing, and that is the love of music. We hope that this program has helped each one of you and will contribute to your growth in some way. With that hope, we are ending our today's program. We thank Sister Christine Coutinho for her continuous support and encouragement. We thank Dr. Devika Guha, Head of the Department of B.Ed, for her constant guidance and motivation. We would like to thank all those who have participated today in this program. We are grateful to all of you for joining us today. We wish everyone a happy and musically enriching life. Thank you.